Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to quickly show you how to harvest plums. Grab your gloves and let's get those plums ready for harvest. So this is my plum tree. As you can see, there's some plums that are green and some of them have ripened. So I'm just on this video I'm going to show you how to harvest the ripe plums. Those which are vibrant color are the ones which are ready to be harvested, and stay away from the plums which are green because they're not ready yet. The best time to harvest your plums is when they're fully colored and slightly soft to the touch. Plums tend to ripen in late summer to early autumn. Some varieties of plum might have the natural bloom or the powdery coating, which indicates the ripeness of the plum. The harvesting technique for plum is easy. You gently hold the plum in your hand and use your thumb and forefinger and lift the fruit slightly and give it a gentle twist or pull, and there you have it. And if the plum doesn't come off easily, you might have to leave it on the tree for a few more days and then it should be ready. Plums do come in variety of colors. Some can be red, purple, yellow or blue. And when you're harvesting your plums, the one that can easily detach itself from the stem with a gentle twist, those ones are ready to be harvested. You could also use pruning shears or scissors to cut the stem, but also using your hands is good enough. Sometimes plums get eaten from the tree by insects, and these are the type of insects that tend to eat the plums when they're ripe. So it's advisable to pick your plums as frequently as you can. Also, make sure you pick your plums when the weather is dry to prevent mold and spoilage. Any plum that doesn't detach easily from the stem, with a gentle twist, is best to leave them to ripen before you could harvest them. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Alice and I post fashion, lifestyle, interior, gardening, DIY and deco type of content. And if you like this video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. You can also hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. So these are the plums I've harvested so far, and there's some still which are on the tree that I'll need to harvest on a time to time basis. And the best place to store your plum is in a cool, humid place or in the refrigerator to extend their freshness. So as I mentioned earlier on, these are also some of the plums that are left after I've harvested the ones that I've just shown you. So in a couple of days, I will come back and harvest some more. So I'll just keep on doing this until I finish harvesting all the ripe plums. So these plums are really tasty and juicy and very big, and the best part is they've just grown from our garden. It's been less than 1 week. I've gone back to the tree and I've harvested some more plums. As you can see, it's a bowl full of them. So here's the size of the bowl, how big it is, and I've been able to fill it up, and I still have some more on the tree that I need to go back after in a couple of days to harvest them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye for now.